Good morning, students. The subject name of agriculture heritage. I am giving a video lecture, ancient agriculture practices. Now we are knowing about agriculture practices used in ancient times. Normally history denotes what is agriculture heritage. Normally history denotes the continuous record of past events, whereas heritage indicates the heritage values carried from one generation to another generation. Agriculture heritage denotes the values and the traditional practices adopted in India which are more relevant for present day system. What is the main agriculture heritage? The events happened in the previous. We are discussed that earlier than 1000 BC before Christ, hunting and gathering was established. 7500 BC, cultivation of crops, wheat and barley. In 3400 BC, the wheel was invented. In 3000 BC, bronze used for making tools by the ancient peoples. 2900 BC, plough was invented for agriculture. That was the main invent for the agriculture or farmers. Irrigated farming was also started in 2900 BC. Cultivation of chickpea, cotton, mustard was also invented or established in 2300 BC. 2200 BC, cultivation of rice was started, or in 500 BC, cultivation of sugarcane was started. By the people of ancient times, use of iron was started in 4000 BC, whereas for the iron plough it was started in 1000 BC. Cultivation of orange, pomegranate, brinjal or other crops was started in 500 BC AD. Cultivation of orange, brinjal and pomegranate. Whereas some crops to India was introduced in 600 AD like chili, tomato, potato, pineapple, tobacco. Beginning of agriculture in India. Archaeological and historical facts. 12,000 to 9,500 years ago, hunters and food gather stage existed. Stone implements like microliths were seen throughout the Indian subcontinent. Domestication of dog occurred in Iraq was also investigated or result in 12,000 years ago. Earliest agriculture was varied by vegetative propagation like banana, sugarcane, yam, sago, palms and ginger was also started in this era. 9,500 to 7,500 years ago, wild ancestors of wheat and barley, goat, sheep, pig and cattle were found. Similarly, in 7,500 to 5,000 years ago, significant features were invention of plough, irrigated farming, use of wheel, metallurgy, or in Egypt like seeds dibblings. 5,000 to 4,000 years ago, Harappan culture is characterized by cultivation of wheat, barley and cotton, plough agriculture and bullocks for draught. Wheeled carts were commonly used in the Indus Valley. Harappans not only grew cotton but also devised method for ginning, spinning and weaving. 4,000 to 2,000 years ago in North Arcot, bone, stone tools were used or founded. In Nevasa, Maharashtra, copper and polished stone axes were used. First evidence of the presence of silk was found at this location, whereas at Navadotli on Narmada river near Nemar, Madhya Pradesh, sickles set with stone teeth were used for cutting crop stalks. Crops grown were wheat, linseed, lentil, urad, moong, bean and khesri. In eastern India, rice, bananas and sugarcane were cultivated. 2000 to 15 years ago, tank irrigation was developed and practiced widely. Greek and Romans had trade with South India. Pepper, cloth and sandalwood were imported to Romanias. Chola king Karikala in 1900 AD defeated Chairs and Pandyas, invaded Sri Lanka, captured 12,000 men and used them as slaves to construct an embankment along the Kaveri, 160 km along to the protected lands from flood. He was built numerous irrigation system and promoted agriculture by clearing the forest. This is the era in which we built some protected lands for floods and numerous irrigation systems. 1500 to 1000 years ago, the empire of Kannauj of Harshvardhana was discovered. 0 to 6 to 647 AD. Cereals such as wheat, rice and millets and fruits were extensively grown. A 60-day variety and fragrant varieties of rice were also mentioned in this empire. Kannauj. Ginger, mustard, melons, pumpkin, onion and garlic are also mentioned. Persian wheat were used for Thanesar, Haryana. 1000 to 700 years ago, Arab conquest of Sindhu was during 711 to 712 AD. Muhammad bin Qasim defeated Dahir, the Hindu king of Sindh. Arabs were experts in gardening. This is the era in which we are knowing about the gardening skills. 12,019 to 1320 AD, this is known as region of Khiljis. Alauddin Khilji destroyed the agricultural property of the major part of India. He believed in keeping the farmers poor. During this period, the people identified the importance of plowing for the proper sowing of crop, that is, soil has to be stirred and seed has to be covered. Ox-drawn wheat cart was used for transport. The people cultivated wheat, barley, gram, peas, sesame and rape. They also cultivated cotton and also devised methods of ginning, spinning and weaving. Animal husbandry was also gained more importance during this period. They domesticated buffalo, cattle, camel, horse, elephant, ass and birds. They utilized them in agriculture and also for transport. Then the civilization was come is Vedic civilization. The word Veda is derived from Ved, which means knowledge. Veda is only literary source from which we know about the Aryans in India. Aryans were more prevalent during Vedic time, which extended from eastern Afghanistan, Kashmir, Punjab and parts of Sindh and Rajasthan. The land of Aryans was called land of seven rivers. The rivers are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Indus and Saraswati. The Rig Veda was the oldest books of Aryans. Pastoralism. The word Veda, which is derived from Ved, which references agriculture heritage. S.R. Reddy, 2018.